Yes.
All right. It's going to be more now.
Yes. हिमालय माउंटेन वाटर. Oh my god. हाँ हम ब्रेक कर रहे हैं. Thank you. Hello everyone. Good morning. Welcome
Morning,
back to our
morning.
channel.
Welcome, welcome.
Yes, welcome to our channel. So
Same room. Welcome back to our room. No
Yeah.
difference.
today we will explore because today we're gonna stay one more day in Kathmandu, and then we will explore other places in Nepal. But little sad, my family already went back house.
Your papa, mama, Didi, you.
Yes.
Mama.
They already
Chota bachi.
early in the morning. We a little sad.
Yeah, 2 a.m. We have to say goodbye.
Early in the morning they have to go because they have Chota baby.
If it's not morning, it's midnight.
Yeah.
And
midnight.
outside the body
Yes.
raining.
Rain also.
We just meet 3 days. More,
Yeah,
3 and a
but
half days
feel like
only.
so many days now.
Yeah, we did a lot of things together.
तो अब हम लोग आ चुके हैं ब्रेकफास्ट करने के लिए क्योंकि काफ़ी टाइम हो चुका है ऑलमोस्ट 9:59 हम लेट हो गए हैं ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए. तो मम्मा हमारे बहुत सारे नेपाली खाना ट्राई कर लिया है. तो अभी सुबह भी हो गया. मम्मा की मम्मा हाय देखो मम्मा मम्मा शो मम्मा देखो देखो मम्मा की मेहंदी. अभी हमने ब्रेकफास्ट ऑर्डर कर लिया है तो हम लोग ब्रेकफास्ट करेंगे और कुछ टेम्पल्स एक्सप्लोर करेंगे क्योंकि अब सिर्फ मैं युवा और मम्मा ही है यहाँ पे. बाकी फैमिली जो है वो ऑलरेडी चली गई है रिटर्न घर के लिए क्योंकि उनके पास ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं था और सिस्टर बेबी का भी था, इसीलिए हमें जल्दी जाना पड़ा उनको. अब हम लोग एक्सप्लोर करेंगे यहाँ पे, एंजॉय करेंगे. Here is Yuva. Hello.
Here's my wife.
Here is my husband.
Shadi ho.
Yeah, finally.
You see blessing flowers still on your hand.
Yeah. Yes. फाइनली वेडिंग भी हो गया. काफ़ी दिनों से हम लोग सोच रहे थे कितने टाइम से वेडिंग कब होगा बट फाइनली अब हमारा वेडिंग भी हो गया है गाइस. तो काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है. सो हैप्पी.
It's very difficult. We two foreigners.
Yeah.
We're not.
Two foreigners.
We're just young people.
Yeah, we are young and doing wedding in different country.
Yeah,
Too much difficult.
Family coming from 3 different places.
Yeah, 3 different places from China, from India, and doing wedding in Nepal. Everywhere is different. So many different languages, and handling is too much difficult. If it,
Some take train, some take
Yes.
taxi, some take flight.
yeah, flight, taxi, train, but a lot of things we faced. But finally, God bless, everything is fine. We are very happy, and now we were already a couple, but now we became how to say traditional. Yeah, Phati Patani, traditional as per our Hindu culture. Now traditional wedding already ho gaya. You can see my this and our yes, you can see this. तो हम लोग जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि हम लोग एक्सप्लोर करेंगे देन विद मम्मा एज वेल बिकॉज मम्मा का फर्स्ट इंटरनेशनल ट्रिप था और हम लोग तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा घूम चुके हैं बट मम्मा को भी और एक्सप्लोर करवाएंगे अभी हम लोग. हाँ, कुछ लोगों ने ऐसे कुछ लोग मतलब लाइक क्वेश्चन कर रहे थे कि लाइक आप पहले से मैरिड हो फिर आपने दोबारा से मैरिज क्यों किया. लेट मी टेल यू गाइस वन थिंग. आई वांट टू क्लियर यू. whenever somebody doing marriage from one country to another country they has to register first, then only they can go for marriage. तो जब आप किसी एक कंट्री से दूसरी कंट्री में शादी करते हैं, इवन इन इंडिया फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आप एक सिटी से दूसरी सिटी में शादी करते हैं तो एक लड़की का नेम वगैरह डिटेल्स वगैरह सब चेंज हो जाती है. पीपल डोंट नो द मीनिंग ऑफ रजिस्ट्रेशन वेडिंग एंड the culture traditional wedding. So I just want to explain by myself. Register wedding is just to register yourself that you came from this country and you are going to marry to this man in this specific country. This is not called marriage. तो उसे हम शादी नहीं कहते हैं. This is just to have a documentation for our future so that we can tell like illegally we are couple. But that's not marriage basically. So as per our traditional we finally got married. So just want to tell you guys, this is the difference between traditional wedding and register. Some people thought register wedding is high court wedding, जो लड़कियाँ चली जाती हैं, something like that. So don't use your weird mind, guys. So ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. Even still, we have our traditional Chinese wedding pending. We will do it in the next year because we need a lot of things to cover. Yeah, we need to recover. We used a lot of money. We need to recover, and also my parents, my family also need to get. Take rest because they travel a lot from different place. Also need my sister. Chota small baby can't take care of small baby easily. So next year we will do traditional wedding. So yeah, my day people still thinking why we are doing wedding. So we follow each culture, like my traditional, as I am a Hindu, we followed Hindu tradition, so we did wedding in a Hindu culture. Now I have to follow my husband culture as well. We have to do traditional wedding in Chinese culture as well. I know somebody might be thinking we have our pre-wedding in China, in India as well, because we follow both of our culture. I respect my husband culture and he respect my culture, so we have to follow each other's culture. That's why we have to do wedding in both of our cultures, respect family. So हमें दोनों की तरफ से करना ही था. So still now the only thing which is pending is Chinese traditional wedding. So we'll do in the next year. So अभी हमारा breakfast आ जाएगा, फिर हम आपको बाहर का view दिखाते हैं guys. चलिए. And sorry, I also ordered something else.
Arrived. It's veg momo है ना?
Yes, and mama look at the mama bread.
Banana pancake.
Bread with pancake.
I think more bread.
It's bread with peanut butter.
Okay. 烤呗。
Let me. Mama, let me make it. अब हम लोग पहुंच चुके हैं पठान दरबार स्क्वायर, राइट?
Yeah. Old Time Palace.
Old Time Palace.
Yeah, there are three kingdoms in
Oh my god, it's
Kathmandu
really
Valley.
beautiful. Let me show you.
Now one is Kathmandu Durga Square, one is Bhaktapur Durga Square.
Wow.
We already been like 2 years ago.
Yes.
Pakham Durga Square this time we are going.
Now we are going to this place. We will explore. Look at this place. Old, but what is it? Bacho? Old King House.
Palace, Raja.
Old Raja Palace. And the Rani is here.
Pathan Kingdom.
Pathan Kingdom. Hello, Mama. Hello. Good morning.
So.
I'm showing. Wow. Mama.
Hiya.
The outside view is really beautiful. Look at this structure. Wow. Wow, look at this guys. ये पुराना बोरवेल, मतलब पानी का वो है, जब राजा महाराजाओं के टाइम पे वाटर का एरिया. ये कितना प्यारा लग रहा है ना.
But they put it rather
Bucket. They want to take water. That's why somebody maybe put it.
But the bucket doesn't suit for.
Yeah, doesn't suit. Guys, look at this. This is a silver shading of Baglamukhi shrine, which is in India only. Baglamukhi Mata. Oh, it's made by silver. Oh my god, wow. Let me sit over here, but Siddhi Lakshmi Mata. Let's go inside. Wow. Origin spread of Buddhism. Buddhism came from here. 16th and 5th century Buddhism. Prince Siddharth Gautam. Buddhism came from southern Nepal, right?
No entry.
Now Yuva is going to touch Himalaya mountain. What? Yeah, Himalaya water. Himalaya mountain water. Oh my god. How's feel? No, 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 no. Now we are going Buddha Stupa, the biggest Buddha Stupa in Kathmandu. Let's go. There is also a ticket. Oh my god, looks so beautiful. कितने का टिकट है भैया? 100 रुपये? उनका 400? 400 for you guys and 100 for me. लो भैया.
आपका एक?
हाँ, एक मेरा. एक इंडियन, 2 इंटरनेशनल. Thank you. Wow. Shops also here. Yeah, देखो. अच्छो. This shop print. Oh. Saying I thought you totally look Nepali. Oh, the biggest Buddha stupa in Kathmandu.
It's all Tibetan community. All this wrong.
Yeah, this all is Tibetan community. You can see everywhere. Huh?
Before they live in Tibet, but for some reason they are.
Oh.
Which way is complex.
I see. But it's also beautiful.
You see China Buddhist monk also here now doing
How can we know it's China Buddhist monk? Oh, wearing.
This uniform, this cup there.
Ah.
Chinese monk.
I see.
This monk, Buddhism people from the whole world, they come here to do wrong. This one is Tibetan Buddhist uniform now.
Oh.
They are doing 113 wrong.
113.
113 wrong. Then they believe it will make
It will
their
make-
wish come true.
Oh my god. It's like exercising. मैंने सारे फोटोज भेज दिए हैं यार. तुम कहाँ पहुँचे हो? आधे घंटे में पहुँच जाओगे? मम्मा प्रे कर रहे हैं. व्यू कितना सुंदर बना है ऊपर. वाह.
Yes, it's the second floor of the cafe.
Yeah, it's second floor of the cafe and cafe name is
It's very nice.
this Pohuna Cafe, and it's in the front of stupa.
Yeah, show from.
Let me show you the front. Look at the view. We can see from here to this, the biggest stupa. You can show much. Wow. Sam, what is the plan? What are you gonna need?
Mojito.
Mojito.
Virgin mojito. Order for me.
Ice.
This ice one?
Yes. Yeah. Thank you. Ma. Sure.
Ilang?
All tea from Ilam. This is specialty. Very expensive.
कौन सा टी है?
Golden needles.
Oh, golden.
Here no this tea. Here no. महंगा है इधर नहीं.
हाँ, वो अदरक है अपने खुले में बेचते होंगे ना?
खुले में.
हाँ. तो भी हमारा डिनर आ चुका है. अब हम डिनर करेंगे इसी रेस्टोरेंट में because we like this restaurant a lot. In the lunch time we tried momo. Is really tasty, guys. You should try this restaurant. It's called Soi in Tamil. बहुत टेस्टी है गाइस। तो अभी हम लोग डिनर करेंगे, फिर हम लोग घर चले जाएंगे, फिर आपको मिलते हैं ऐसे नए व्लॉग में गाइस। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल। विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट व्लॉग। से बाय बाय मम्मा, से बाय बाय बाय। See you in the next family vlog. Sure.
मैं भी छोटी बात थी।